Hi friends, welcome back. After a long time I'm posting a video, and this is a box from Smartron which they sent me, and let's open it. Skipping few useless parts. So this is how things are packed, not professionally, but that's not important. Things should be useful. So let's open the first tiny package, which is, let's open it. Okay, so that's I think that's a sub board for USB type C. You can see that. Also at the end I'll also have a look at other tiny parts of it. Let's open the second one, which is also bubble wrapped pretty well, and that's a battery. 3000 mAh battery from Smartron. Original battery connector is also original. It's a mirror image, so apologies. Okay, everything is fine. I will also post a new video after this one, maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow, which will have how to replace these things on Smartron phone SRT. So the last package is also the battery, the second battery, same 3000 mAh battery. Connector is also spot on. So these are the three items which I got from Smartron, and this is very time pass. Okay, so here's a closer look at the battery and the connector. So you can see that it fits the Smartron SRT phone. So this is the first battery. Let me check, the second one is also the same, so very identical. So second one is also pretty good. This is not a mirror image, so you can see what is written. This is a type C subboard. I need to replace it because mine is working, but no data transfer. For data transfer I need to use a OTG cable. Sometime it works, sometime it doesn't charge. I need to restart the phone while phone is plugged into the adapter, and I hope this, if I change this, that restarting thing will not be necessary again. And the battery is also acting up. Sometimes it's kind of restarts, and sometimes it goes from 80% to 50% suddenly. So that's something very bad. So thank you for watching, and keep subscribing my channel.